Ismailin, Super Aisa, Fireblade, Sports Pacific, Bangat, Sports Pacific. Ismailin, Sports Bangat, Sports Pacific, Tornaisa. Malalaman natin sa publiko kung sino yung mangunguna mga idol. Nangunguna yung Sports Pacific, followed by Sports Bangat. Still leading yung Sports Pacific. Sports Bangat pala yan ang una, si Adrian Mabia. Sports Bangat, followed by Sports Pacific. Tapos Ornaisa. Pangatlo yung Ornaisa. Nangunguna yung Sports Bangat, si Adrian Mabia. Andito tayo ngayon guys sa Ladol Beach, Alabel, Sarangani Province, Kasadyaan Festival. Nangunguna si Adrian Mabia ng Sports Bangat from Samal Island, followed by Sports Pacific from Asim, Sarangani Province. Pangatlo ang Fireblade. Pang-apat Ismailin from Balot Island, Davao Occidental. Pang-lima ang Ornaisa from Sapo, Masla, Malapatan, Sarangani Province. Nangunguna pa rin ang Sports Bangat, Adrian Mabia from Island Garden City of Samal. Pangalawa ang Sports Pacific from Asim, Sarangani Province. Leading ang Sports Bangat, Adrian Mabia. Winner, Sports Bangat, Adrian Mabia ng Island Garden City of Samal. Pangalawa ang Sports Pacific Orange from Asim, Sarangani Province. Pangatlo ang Fireblade. Pang-apat ang Ismailin from Balot Island, Sarangani Province. Panglima ang Team Ornaisa